Variable valve timing technology allows today's engines to achieve maximum performance while reducing fuel consumption and harmful emissions. When service technicians need to replace a variable valve timing solenoid or cam phaser, they choose Dorman. Dorman was the first in the aftermarket with a full line of VVT components and remains the market leader today. But we don't just sell more VVT solutions than anyone else. We're also the first to move into more complex systems like BMW Double Vanos and Fiat Chrysler Multi-Air systems, as well as other related technologies like multi-displacement solenoids. Dorman leads the market by creating innovative new solutions, often introducing improvements over the original equipment designs wherever there's an opportunity. Whether it's engineering a more durable part or simply including the special tools required to do the job correctly, we put the installer's needs first. That's why whenever you need to replace your VVT solenoid or cam phaser, you should check Dorman first.